Hi everybody, my name is Dan and welcome to my kitchen for another yummy episode of Man Cake. Today we're going to be making perfect chocolate avocado pudding. It's going to be so bomb. And it's going to be super quick and super easy. All the ingredients we're going to be using today are going to be down below in the description, along with the directions and along with that subscribe button. So if you click that and ring the bell, you can stay up to date on brand new recipes every week. Now I think we waited long enough, so let's dive in and get started on this delicious pudding. So in our mixing bowl, we're going to add in 1.5 avocados, 1 large banana, a half cup of cocoa powder, a half cup of creamy peanut butter, and a 1/4 cup of almond milk, and a half cup of blue agave. Now peanut butter wise, if you don't like creamy and you're a fan of crunchy, you can definitely use crunchy instead for more of a nutty flavor to it. And blue agave, as far as your sugar goes, if you don't have it or you don't like it, you can always add in some honey or some maple syrup. But now that we have all of our ingredients in our mixing bowl, let's go ahead and take our hand mixer on a low to medium low speed and start blending everything up until it's nice and creamy. Now if you want more of a rich chocolatey flavor, definitely add in some more cocoa powder. If you want a little more sweetness, add in a little more of your sweetener. Either way, and at the end of the day, this pudding is going to be so good. Now let's go ahead and take our mixing bowl, cover it with some plastic wrap so it doesn't get any weird pudding skin, and let it chill for 4 hours overnight. And when it's all done and chilled out for a bit, you will have your delicious, yummy pudding. So our pudding is chilled for 4 hours. I can't wait anymore. I need to dive right into this. So let's go ahead and give it a nice little mix up to kind of just give it good texture. And there you have it. Simple and as easy as can be. Just a homemade pudding with delicious creamy avocado, creamy peanut butter, a yummy banana. It tastes like a chocolate covered banana. It's perfection. I know you guys are really gonna enjoy this. But that's all I have for you this week. Like I said, super quick, right? If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. And if you make and try this yummy chocolate avocado pudding, give a tag on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. Share your yummy creations with me. And until next week, bye.